Good afternoon students. Today we are going to learn regarding the Foley's catheter. As you can see in my hand, this is known as the Foley's catheter. It is invented in 1929 by the Frederick Foley, and the main use is that we insert it into the bladder to drain the urine into the back. Now this comes in the different size and different materials are used to make the urinary catheter. Now the three different materials which are used, that is the rubber, and then the latex, and then the silicone. So this you can see, it is a latex material, you can see, okay, and it is most commonly used in the medical ward, surgical ward, as well as the ICU and the critical care units. So first we must know what is the indication of using this urinary catheter. So this catheter is used for the patients who are suffering from the urinary retention. Urinary retention is a condition in which the patient is unable to pass the urine, or the patient may have the urinary incontinence. It means the patient is having a painful micturition, or the patient is unable to have this type of the problems in passing the urine. Apart from that, whenever the patients are admitted in the critical unit, for example the ICU, CCU, so during that time also we have to manage the urine output. Now some of the surgery procedures require the urinary catheterization, for example during the labor process or during the minor operations. So during that time also we are using the urinary catheterization. So now we will see the parts of the urinary catheter first. So as you can see, this is a flexible latex rubber tube which is a long, and apart from that it is a sterile procedure. You must remember this is a sterile tube. Now we will see the parts. So you can see here there are two ports, okay. So this port, it is known as the balloon port, and this port, it is known as the urine drainage port. So from this we inject the sterile water to inflate the balloon. So that's why it is known as the balloon port, and this port, it is known as the urine drainage port, because here we will attach the urinary bag. So the whole urine that is collected, that will be drained directly into the bag. Then here you can see there is a balloon part, and here you can see this is a bladder opening part, okay, this bladder opening part. So now see this here, you can see here it is already written 16 FR 30 to 50 ml. So the unit which is used for the catheter, that is the French gauge, or also known as the French scale. So it is written 16 FR. So 3 FR is equal to 1 millimeter. So the size depends on the diameter. So you always remember that, for example here if it is a 18, so you must divide 18 divided by 3, so the answer will be 6. So the diameter is the 6 of the catheter, and here the written what is the balloon capacity. So it should be filled up to the 30 ml, and the maximum limit is the 50 ml. Now I will let you tell that how we have to insert the sterile water. Now I have taken approximately 22 ml of water, but we must take the 30 ml because it is written. I will just show you how the balloon will be inflated. Okay, so you have to attach this into the balloon port, okay, and then there should be no air at all, and there you can see that this balloon is inflating, okay. So just it is for the demo purpose. Whenever you are inflating, it is inside the patient's urinary bladder. So the main purpose of this balloon is to retain whole of the catheter into the bladder, otherwise what will happen, it will come out. So it helps to retain this whole catheter into the patient bladders, okay, and it should not be filled more than the capacity, otherwise it will burst and it may lead to the other complications. Now you can see here I has this whole packet, so you must see this packet also. Here you can see this is the company name Perch, and the whole name is the Foley's balloon catheter. Apart from that, here it is written sterile EO. It means it is an sterile tube which is sterilized by the ethylene oxide. Then you can see it is made in India, and the volume balloon capacity is also written, which is the 20 to 30 ml. So the sterile water you must use, that is within 20 to 30 ml of capacity. Then you can see this is the size. So size is also written, that is the FG16, okay. So the larger the size, the larger the diameter, that you have to remember, and 3 Fg is equal to 1 millimeter. So it is of 16, and you have to always check the manufacturing date as well as the expiry date before using the urinary catheter. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.